Hi, I'm Andy Eccles, of Membership Secretary for Slipperbridge AC in Hull, Gilberdyke, just outside of Hull. Basically, it's an angling venue where we have quite a few members and we fish for all sorts of species of fish: barbel, carp, roach, perch, rudd. We're replacing the existing platforms which have become unserviceable with some new thicker, high density recycled plastic, which basically means that it's a lot thicker, a lot durable, and it'll take many years of hard wear for our anglers, so we won't have to have the maintenance from members of the pond to be able to maintain it. Yeah, as you can see, the difference between the two materials is the new material is solid, it's thicker. The older material we were using had holes in it, which made it eventually go brittle, and there's a lot more flex in this older material, whereas in the new material there's very little flex in it, enabling you to be able to effectively jump up and down on the peg with no flex. As you can see, the platforms are very durable, even if it's raining, they don't seem to be as slippy as normal materials, like if you're using wood, whereas you've got like a rebates that are running down them, which allows the water to run in between. You're actually walking on the actual plastic, which doesn't seem to be slippery underfoot, like, as I say, like normal timber would be. And also we can clean them. We can get a sweeping brush on them and dip them in water and give them a good scrub and keep them clean. And hopefully they'll stay that way for many years to come.